Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to High on Rugs. Today we're doing something a little different. I'm going to take another look at an old rug that we made a while back and see if we can improve upon it. So a little while back, one of my very first videos, I made a rug of Peter Griffin in his death pose, and it was a hoot. But that was 6 months ago, way back when I was a beginner, a novice. And now, well, I'm not a professional, but I've gotten quite a bit better. I look back on that rug and I think, yeah, it's okay. So today we're going back to the Peter Griffin death pose rug and breathing some new life into it. And to do that, we're going to need to carve out all the lines with our trimmers. So I'm plopping the old rug back down, grabbing my trimmers, unfurling the long cord and plugging her in, and it's time to get started. I just kind of wanted to walk through this technique because it will make your rugs pop so much more, make them look so much better, just crisping up all the lines. Basically what I do is I go in between every single line, turning my trimmers vertically and making several, sometimes 7 or 8 passes through each line, making sure that there is a clean break between each color. So you just want to pass your trimmers through, make sure you're trimming off any fibers that are laying over each other, mixing in, and you just want to really crisp up those lines. You can see I'm sort of using my hand to pat all the fibers one way, and then making another pass to trim off anything that's hanging over, and then I'll go through and I'll pet the fibers the other way and do the same thing. It's quite time consuming, a little tedious, and a bit back-breaking if you're just sitting on the floor doing it like I am. I need to get myself a nice table. But like I said, very worth it in the end. I really liked this rug when I made it, but like I said, I was quite a beginner, and it's definitely shaggy looking, a little sloppy. So I wanted to just go back through and see if we can really hone this one. And as you can see, I took a good 6, 7, maybe 8 passes on just the one arm, and the whole process takes quite a while. So here's a nice little time lapse of me just going in between every single line. And after a little cleanup with the vacuum, it is already looking a million times better. But we're not done yet. I bring it inside so I can enjoy the AC a little bit, plop it back down, and cut myself some tweezers and some little mustache scissors. And I'm just going through and finding all the stray hairs that are a bit out of place and pulling them with the tweezers or snipping them off with the little scissors. Just kind of combing through the entire thing. And then here I'm just trying to hone his tic-tac-toe board dirt marks all over him. I'm pulling out any strands that are making the lines too thick to make them all sort of a bit more uniform. And that's pretty much all there is to it. It's just a couple quick tips on improving your rugs. And there's a nice before and after shot of Peter looking like a shaggy mess to a much cleaner, more dapper death pose Peter. I'd say the improvements are pretty night and day. Still not perfect. I mean, I could spend hours and hours doing this to make it absolutely 100% perfect, but for what it's worth, I'd say it's a hell of an improvement. And I just wanted to share this with you to help any other rug makers out there clean up their rugs and make them look a bit more professional and tidy. Anyways, that's just a short, quick video. I've got a few more projects in the works at the moment, but they're taking quite a while, so I just wanted to make something short and sweet. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. If it's your first time here, you can check out the original video of me making the Peter Griffin rug, or check out some of my other ones. I've got quite a few rug making videos, and I will be back soon with some more. So until next time, I'll see you.